HEL STAR 4 and 5 EXO is a low profile, 2-function or 3-function strobe light that's capable of visible lighting in green, blue, red, or white, and IR in either a near IR or a SWIR spectrum using multiple frequencies. We're also able to do a dim, a standard, a bright, or a bright plus on our intensities, and also able to do a steady flash of 60 flash per minute, or the NATO flash 30 flash per minute. Now what's unique is we've also done a Morse code flash. So we've assigned distinct letters where we will flash in a distinct pattern of your choosing to make your strobe light stand out from any other light on the market. To manipulate either the HEL STAR EXO 4 or 5, the on-off switch is at the bottom to turn the light on or off, and your mode switch is on the front. On the 4, you have 2 different positions, and then on the HEL STAR EXO 5, you will have 3 positions. On the back of the light is the battery door, which simply pulls hinges open, and there's a simple 123 battery to operate the light. Both the HEL STAR 4 and 5 are available in either a tan or black body, and both lights are fully waterproof. If you have any questions or want information on ordering either the HEL STAR 5 or 4 EXO, visit our website for a full distributors list or check out any of our retailers.